Good morning, good evening, good day, wherever you are. It is October 31st. Happy Halloween if you celebrate Happy Halloween. I've been thinking about, especially with Halloween, about the concept of being invited to a party. We have been instructed that Victory with Ash is invitation only. And when I was thinking about the reason why you have an invitation to something, I was thinking about the importance of that and the fact that if you've ever been invited to something, number one, it makes you feel special, but number two, it is significant because it indicates that there's value in whatever you're invited to. And it doesn't have to be a party, but it could also be you know, being invited or going to an event, going, you know, a job interview actually is a lot like being invited. You know, you have to interview for a job to see if you're going to be accepted. And if you've ever been to an exclusive party or to an exclusive event, you know there's a different atmosphere there. You are with like-minded people. You are hopefully enjoying the same things. And having a party or having an event that anyone can come to without an invitation is not a good thing. It's a responsibility to be at something that is exclusive. You have a responsibility to behave a certain way. You know, you don't go to a party and tear up the furniture or tear up someone's house. You know, we've all been somewhere where someone is acting, you know, out of alignment with what's going on, and there's the, you know, the phrase, who invited this guy or who invited this girl. You know, it seems very simple, but it's really quite brilliant and quite important that Ash is asking us to apply to be in this platform. He's wanting to make sure that he has the right people at his party, per se. And we know that in the past, when we were on the previous journey, that it was very wide open and that anyone could be involved. And that led to, you know, some behaviors that ended up being the detriment to the entire process and to the entire journey. So hopefully you will understand how valuable this journey is and how valuable Victory with Ash is, because it is invitation only, and it is something that you have to, you know, you have to follow a code of conduct. You have to follow a certain set of expectations. That makes it more valuable. And the other thing is that we are likely to share things that are really exciting. If we go to something, you know, if we go to a party or something, how many, you know, it's a viral effect when you go to a party and it's a really great place, the atmosphere is wonderful, the food, you know, whatever's going on is really exciting. You want to tell people about it, and that's exactly what is going to happen when we enter Victory with Ash. It's going to be something that, you know, is really beneficial for you, and you're going to want to tell people, and you're going to want to invite people that you value and that you want to be a part of a circle. You know, it's a family atmosphere in a lot of ways. It's not just a learning platform or a business. Eventually we will move into the business. It is something to be revered and taken care of and respected with everyone that's involved. So, you know, we've all had that meal or that Thanksgiving dinner or that event in our family where there's the one person who comes and sort of ruins the day. So it's really important to think about it that way. We are all going to have the opportunity to go into Victory with Ash. We just need to be, you know, respectful of that privilege and enjoy the party. Have a blessed day.